Hey everyone, Max here, welcome back in another video. In this video we're gonna be unboxing this 5.5 kilograms package from Mulebuy. They sent me this nice beautiful package containing goods from China, so we'll be unboxing this, we'll see how it all goes. Generally speaking, the shipping was something around $200 for 5.5 kilograms, and you can also use the coupons, so be sure to go into the link down below and sign up to the Mulebuy. You have loads of different coupons there. This one was shipped via the DHL. It took like 10 days to arrive, so very fast and very efficient. No problems with it. Also, if you need links for products, be sure to check out the spreadsheet. You have it down below in the description. And yeah, without further ado, let's just unbox this. Okay, so here we have it, guys. Let's get it unboxed. Let's cut through the adhesive tape like this. Let's see what we really have in there. Alright, here we have it. This is how this guy is looking. And yeah, maybe let's begin with unboxing of the first item, which are these shoes. So let's begin. Let's see what exactly is in here. So off the start, I want to say that it's all very well packed. We've got like the different separate bags that the items are packed in, so you can make sure that these are intact and in perfect condition. So here we go, guys. This is one of my favorite items. This is the almighty, very well equipped and very well made Salomon XT6 in the lunar white color. I love how it all looks like. This one has a great grip, as you can see. You've got a beautiful sole in here, and yeah, you've got these easy to access laces, and the colors here are also amazing. You've got different colors, different combinations, a very beautiful design, and this one is really like one-to-one. And it's also true to the size. This one also comes with the Ortholite insole in here, as you can see, so it's all looking beautiful. You don't have any marks, you don't have any defects like a glue coming out of the shoe or something not aligning. Like everything here is perfect, and these shoes cost like $40, so you can save some really great money on this package. Next up, continuing, let's maybe take a look at this one. This one is a jacket. So here we go, folks. Let's just continue as always. Let's just begin by opening it. So guys, what we have in here is the Patagonia jacket, rain jacket. Let's see how it all presents. And this one is the size M, Patagonia raincoat. The materials, to be honest, are quite thin, but they're also durable, and this one looks to be very breathable, and you shouldn't have any problems with wearing this thing outside, even in the summer. So I think it's perfect for like the summer rainy days or so. You also have the labels. These ones are the paper labels, as you can see. It all looks very professional. This is how the logo looks like. Wow. I can't tell any difference actually. And the zipper is also looking fine. You've got this nice water resistant seal, or I don't know how it's called. And then in here inside you've got such a label. This one is only like $36, and I'm really quite impressed with such a quality of this jacket. So I'm wearing the jacket now. As you can see, it all looks nice, it all looks perfect. It's true to the size. I'm usually wearing the M size, and this one is perfect. And this one fits perfect on me, so no problems. Here we go, next item. Let's see what's in this. So in here, we also have another shoes. Let's see what we have in here. Yeah, these ones are very interesting, because what we have in here are the Nike Minds. As you can see, I've never had them before. And to be honest, they're amazing. These are actually the weirdest shoes I've ever seen in my life, like really. These are quite innovative. Like you've got these specific independent balls that are coming out of there, and they also are quite moving, so you got this sensation probably when you're wearing it. And yeah, you can actually feel it, and you can actually poke it through. It's crazy. It's absolutely insane. This logo here is also reflective, so it's all looking nice. And the labels look like this. Continuing, let's also see what else we have in here. So yeah, we have the left one. This one also comes with the label. And yeah, this one is also looking beautiful. Let's wear them now. This is the part where I'm most interested in. I really want to see how it all fits. Okay guys, so I'm wearing these shoes now and I can definitely feel them working on my feet. Like I can really feel them, yeah, poking onto my feet. And yeah, this one's really like an interesting feeling. I think it really does make a difference on my mind. I love it. This design, guys, is very, very unique. It's the first time I see something like this. Very, very interesting shoe. Definitely worth it. You've got a logo in here as well. It says Mind, and yeah, crazy stuff, to be honest. Items to go. Let's see what's in this package. So here we are, guys. Let's see. All right. So what we have in here are the beautiful New Balances. These ones are the 9060 New Balances in this beautiful sea salt color. I used to purchase them in the past. They're amazing. They're so well made, and yeah, they're going quite well. They're so fancy. They're so like interesting and popular in my country right now. So I just copped them for myself as well. Yeah, they look amazing. They look so nice. The materials here are also looking great. We've got this leather, which is more of a soft leather, and the logo itself is more of a traditional leather. And yeah, we've got this mesh here, which is also breathable. This one is also true to the size. This one's also from the Shark Breeder supplier, and yeah, the sole itself looks like this. It's super, super comfortable. You can run in them, you can do whatever you want to, and for day-to-day basic tasks, they're also amazing. The right one, this is how the right pair looks like. Yeah, the color is matching, the color is pretty much the same as it is, and yeah, they're definitely the perfect shoes for anyone wondering. They're definitely the perfect pair for everyone who does a lot of jogging or maybe walking and stuff, so yeah, I can definitely recommend you guys copying them. Okay, and the last pair. Lastly, what we have in here are more of a premium shoes. So guys, what we have in here are the almighty Guts. Yes, I have purchased these Maison Margiela shoes, as you can see. All in all, this box is quite heavy with the shoes in, but yeah, let's take a look at them. Let's see how they look like, let's see how they fit. So we've got these beautiful Maison Margiela leather shoes, and wow, these ones are so well made. Like, I can definitely tell you that this leather here is super, super soft. I love it. And yeah, in the back, this is how the shoes look like, and the laces are also looking amazing. The logo here is looking great, as you can see, and in here you also have the replica signature. The sole itself looks like this, as you can see. It's very, very grippy and looks nice. But most importantly, I love the quality of the leather. It's super soft, to be honest. And the left one, let's see how the left one looks like. So here we have it. The left one looks like this. It's super, super soft as well. And yeah, there are no defects, like no any sauce coming out or anything like this. Everything looks great as it should be looking. In here we also have this label, and yeah, the Maison Margiela Paris leather, and nothing else in here. Okay people, so that's basically it as for today's unboxing. As you can see, we have such a beautiful shoes. I can't even tell how great they are. Like, we really did buy a lot of beautiful things today, so I'm really, really happy because of this. Also, just like I told you before, please sign up to the Mulebuy and get yourself a package there, because the shipping prices are really cool and the agent itself is also nice. I can definitely recommend you guys checking this agent out. You have coupons right over there as well, so be sure to use them. And yeah, with that said, check out my other social media and see you in the next video. Bye!